Welcome to Auto Garage. If you're into smart cars, sleek designs, and honest reviews, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's review, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update on the latest rides, especially when we're talking about something as exciting as the all-new 2026 Honda Accord. Now let's get into it, and trust me, this isn't just your typical sedan refresh. Honda has clearly gone all in this year. The 2026 Accord. It's smarter, sharper, and more refined than ever before. Let's start with the first thing that grabs your attention, the exterior. The new Accord has finally stepped away from that conservative styling we were used to. It now comes with a bold, low-slung front grille, slimmer LED headlights, and an overall silhouette that screams premium. The daytime running lights are more aggressive, and the hood has sharper contours that give it this clean but assertive look. It's almost like Honda finally decided to give the Accord the confidence it always deserved. And yes, it's longer now. The extended wheelbase means not only better road presence but also a smoother, more planted ride. The 19-inch alloy wheels on the touring trim look incredible, and even the lower trims come with a more upscale design feel. Honda isn't playing around with this one. Now step inside, and this is where the Accord really starts flexing. The 2026 interior feels more like something you'd find in an entry-level luxury car. Clean horizontal lines, a wider dashboard, and a completely revamped infotainment layout. Speaking of that, let's talk about the screen. The top trims now feature a 12.3-inch touchscreen, finally. It's fast, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard now, and Honda's voice assistant actually understands you this time. Big win. The materials, soft touch where it matters. The dash, the armrests, the steering wheel, all upgraded. Honda has clearly invested in cabin comfort. Even the base models come with a digital gauge cluster and quality finishes. The Touring Hybrid, that one adds leather seats, ventilated fronts, and an upgraded Bose sound system that really hits when you're on the highway. And for those who care about tech, the Accord now features Honda's updated driver assist suite with smarter lane keeping, adaptive cruise that actually feels natural, and even a traffic jam assist system that helps in stop-and-go conditions. It's smarter, yes, but more importantly, it's smoother. Now let's talk performance, and here's where it gets interesting. The 2026 Accord offers two powertrains. The base is a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, same as last year, refined a bit for better fuel economy and less turbo lag. But the real magic is in the hybrid models, which now make up the majority of the trims. A 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine paired with two electric motors makes around 204 horsepower, but what stands out is how quiet and seamless the drive is. Honestly, the hybrid is the way to go this year. It's responsive, fuel efficient, we're talking over 45 mpg combined, and still has enough torque to make city driving fun. No more CVT drone either, it's all been refined to feel more natural and linear. Handling-wise, the new Accord feels tighter. The steering has better feedback, the suspension eats up bumps without floating, and there's minimal body roll in corners. For a midsize sedan, it's shockingly balanced. Honda really dialed in the chassis. Let's talk numbers, because I know you're wondering about the price. The 2026 Accord starts around $29,000 for the base LX trim. The sweet spot, probably the X Hybrid, which comes in just under $33,000. If you want all the bells and whistles, leather, Bose sound, Google built-in, head-up display. The Touring Hybrid tops out around $38,000. And honestly, for what you get, that's a solid deal. You're stepping into near Acura territory for thousands less. So who is this car for? If you're someone who needs reliable daily driving, modern tech, efficiency, and comfort, the 2026 Accord just makes sense. It's not trying to be flashy, it's trying to be smart. And it delivers. And let's be honest, the Accord name has always meant something. Longevity, resale value, low maintenance, it's still got all that. But now it also brings design and tech to the table in a way that makes competitors sweat. That's a wrap for today's review. If you're thinking about upgrading your daily driver or just want a car that balances brains with beauty, the 2026 Honda Accord should absolutely be on your radar. If you enjoyed this video and want more deep dives on the smartest cars hitting the market, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you stay in the loop. Thanks for watching Auto Garage, we'll catch you in the next one.